Oh, nyame adom be fine.
The nyame say. Na sisi me go through o graphics a wodi ama social media for no. Na World Cup nyame nu ko na manfo spend you. I'm shocked, seriously.
You see, on the entire World Cup ni we no. Every image from FIFA president Gianni Infantino, he is laughing.
Oni papa no. Donald Trump.
Oma cash out. So, who read reports from the Athletica, any BBC? I must say, in Qatar, FIFA made around $7.6 billion from the World Cup. Now, FIFA is yet to publish or more accounts for this World Cup, no. But financial institutions, say or more projection, FIFA is approaching 13 billion. And from 7.6
to 13
last 4
billion.
years to 13 billion.
So it makes sense because expansion.
That is it. And FIFA are almost doubling from the last World Cup. And when we say about World Cup, Gianni Infantino started hinting so 48 teams in the corner. I hear they expand their side because the expansion has given them a lot of money. Now, send our own ball listeners and viewers with a lot of numbers, a little bit of breakdown. I find that for money music and free. First one, of course, I broadcasting. Yeah, ton TV rights deal. Yeah, ton radio commentary deals. Ama media houses. A huge amount of money. And I'll be to Yama FIFA. And sana what me enya sa rights no ede aye de ode beye. They toss me no a licensing. Enti sawe Adidas only ama license to provide technical support to football. Sene sa no money nyina ona de beba. Enti the licensing na unhu yes your official beverage partner Coca-Cola official way ni nyina a licensing. FIFA edema those licensing and amount ho kwan ma only FIFA ye business doing the World Cup. And there are some zones abekwa we mu na ya ton right na mo say omunye sa business we wa ha. And why mo no maje license to sell tickets on behalf of FIFA sa omo eriska beba. Why mo am license to do this business on behalf of FIFA doing the World Cup omo and omo di sa scan beba. So licensing and so every FIFA sika bebre. Then the hospitality rights. So, we FIFA contingent. FIFA na bet your hotels how be choosy. All those hotels now be choosing are hotels or money FIFA work contracts. Into Marriott, money big hotels, mono. Or money na FIFA or contracts. Our money hospitality industry. Or money FIFA or partnership to do it. And until I bet you see maybe a quack. Now we my member was our backstory way. Ubeje di say ekobase 4 or 3 teams I was almost one city. In FIFA allocating baby at teams in the bedano. Rich unim say the first choice and I say the owa akonya to choose first is depending on the ranking. And Tiavan say Ghana. Yene Brazil and say Scotland. We have to base in Abia, Rhode Island. Then FIFA will list more partners hotels are Rhode Island. So I'm listening with the member association Rich within sa enclave no. The work when you have to choose first, okay, maybe per hotel A based on the ranking on the FIFA ranking. That is how it is done.
Next time, you know.
That is how it is. Then the last two, the sponsorship and ticket sales, those are new man FIFA Faswa or raise your revenues during the World Cup. Now, Rich, Another example in here, this World Cup, FIFA raking in money, any US raking in money. My remember one example. Say, New Yorker, in soon New York, any New Jersey, in soon at them at that. Now the finals was played in New Jersey. Nyanko Padaroma was able to visit MetLife there 2 or 3 times and said I'm back. Not to go and watch football, but a American dream, one of the biggest stadium you can take pictures in here. Now, Rich, Ubeje say, doing the World Cup final, yeah, boy, say, yeah, more World Cup US. Nasa offer 20-30 minutes train. Don't for the transit train. Nasa Okasa Odi free any points. Ako MetLife Stadium, a cost to $12.90. Rich, World Cup final away, the same train, Oko for $150.
Is that the point? Fly to ground, maybe.
And they are costing, Odi $13. No. Now it is costing you $150 to take the same train to the same venue. That is how a nyoma peja ye US. Baby abeda. Rich. Baby to say baby na Ghana ye team hotel in Rhode Island no. So also ye Ghana and Semtroni. Until you want to be closer to the team. Rich per night. Na unya hotel one night less than $80.
Okay, I mean, me choose $150.
Yes.
Unya less than $850.
Yes.
A night.
Enti.
$150.
Yes.
A night.
And also better. So being team hotel da. That was how expensive World Cup with and so social media for this Omudi and for expensive. This survey was done by the Athletic, Mubusa random fans, how much they've spent. And people will have an appreciation of how individuals see almost spending. There was one guy from Norway, one guy from Brazil. Look at how $8,000. If you spend $12,000, and yes, I want to wear all the matches in the World Cup. If you walk over here, about 5 games, 6 games, 4 games, but you know how a normal AC echo. Norwich. Then comes Omo Akunya to buy the TV right deals, no, and I say Omo from right holders, no. Say all the Fox, example, because me when I went to the US, Fox was my go-to TV station for the World Cup coverage. Rich, Fox at the World Cup coverage, $485 million. $485 million. Now, forget about all almost sponsors are near Gusu Bebre, no. Ubeje say, on 3 minutes hydration break now, eba boni muno. Rich, according to survey, Fox charge between 200 to 300,000. So also place adverts. I was a hydration break one kwa. Now say also place adverts. Our games are US matches. Also US matches. I just say you have to pay around 750,000.
Almost 1 million.
This a hydration break on Kwano. So yeah, Nhyira FM advert. That is how much you are supposed to pay. And what TV rights no 485 million. But Sika from TV sponsorship no. I was our World Cup no. Enye asam ketwa. Now Rich. Research say yamko form ko efficacy mu no. World Cup nkwa for place bets estimated $50 billion.
$50 billion
bets nkwa. On the average, every game bia you can wages sika for the 2 games so. On the average, every game bia $500 million.
Betting companies na you brutal. My first brutal.
$50 billion. Anna, yes, a betting phone qua. And the whole tournament. The whole tournament, $50 billion. $50 billion. It is a Odipebi rather betting company. Walk up with.
So that's why when you was all convert to where you know to be. Phone back out was I can't.
I had a physical. A yatum. That's the other catch I would have to be saying.
Wow.
The moment I find out, say, there is one owner from India. On one only member betting companies, 3 betting companies
in Ghana.
Big, they're in Ghana. Big international betting companies. Very, very famous. Even this World Cup. So we Obi Ohe ne World Cup from DSTV beyond. Will get this hint. Now, omu running omu betting companies and advertising etwaso 3. Ni now have one owner or Indian.
Akwa uska.
Sika omoshie no. Into which it is one of the best when it comes to commercialization. Work up where boy. That is the reason why Donald Trump say or catch the Gianni Infantino and check omunsa fa work up number USBM. Na omunsa en hosti. That is why Gianni Infantino is all smiles after the World Cup. FIFA stocks in terms of income akosro and omo maye juma businesses around this World Cup. We are not talking about even paraphernalia. Rich, even if you descend to Ghana, you said Diago.
Just Ghana.
This World Cup, Ghana just is our tone. Any Ghana flag, or Momotun Sebi, Pamson same crowd street on one crown, had their own. That is what you are talking about. It's in Kofonyi Scapadi film. Now, Medema no see on the sporting side, no. I think the 3rd and 4th when gave Obia the no. So I say Obia the no. I didn't be chair. Yeah, the BRC about tournament near about 3rd and 4th. Rich, mostly determined by wine a penny more. Obu the disappointment of say a share in semi-finals, no. Emma ne conquer no tournament in Mpobium.
So you're scrapping female?
No. FIFA must give the bronze medal. In terms of the prize money, no. FIFA must rank it according to baby OBAD. It is important for meritorious awards in this animal to FIFA.
We were clearly drew out to say teams in the Mienu be any appetite to play.
But the Nancy way. Emma Ebeman Kofare thing Shelley, I don't know. A bit my fun. Look at the game. Probably the most fun game I hear or walk up on. With no pressure. Anyway, it gets to you. Say, I say, oh, mama, some excitement. You say, oh, say, so much in here. And you can see a two cry. Now, Rich, going into that game, so our coach is in a situation. Make minimum sober guys and come away. The answer na. Yeah, be starting World Cup. Me catch you say, da when either say ye season and I be tournament, then you make public a decision on the coach. And see before I be tournament, you know, Obien him said this is Didier Deschamps' last assignment with the French national team. Anytime Obien takes a decision, it doesn't go well. That is the reason why I was predicting France in Yade, but they even exceeded my expectation. But Rich, when it dawned on Didier Deschamps in Manchester, this was in the final game, no. A comment and I didn't for our game, no. He had nothing to prove. You more game, I mean, mommy, what farewell message after 14 years, and let me buy out. Even before that game, never started, a lot of the French players have already written their messages to the coach. And see, side starts now, France in Yano was coming from side psychological blow now. Omunu said there is nothing at stake for them. But Rich, who got the other side? Thomas Tuchel a call to Argentina. Pressure a fear no. He needed to at least also mitigate this and no one to kakra with the 3rd place game. And you could clearly see from Thomas Tuchel Nankasa the demeanor on the bench. any players no select you money say wa catch you say masa munko ye bibi mame at least na mitimi kan kophobia no ntum kakra. And I'm telling you, should Thomas Tuchel continue as the coach of England, Saturday plays game no win now against France will be very very crucial to start the decision now on Metekino. Now 82 coaches in here. Everything was at stake for one. Oh, the other one there was just an occasion to say goodbye. Now, Rich, then comes the individual players. Starting 11, everybody has you Hurricane and Mbo. But Kylian Mbappe, Bobo. Hurricane and Mbo because Hurricane thought, look, they all say, this is time for Ivan Toney Moses, so I'm comparing the Munyamo tournament in him. You couldn't win it.
And is it eyebrow now?
No.
Okay.
A share what people wanted from that game. No? Kylian Mbappe came to play that game. And yeah, I read also winning golden boot. I'm proud in the game was 2 goals. And then I don't know when they winning the top scorer award. No, and also the open free game in him. Now other players are no winning a game in boy England now. You have more opportunity to play. They also at least show the reason why they were part of the squad. They do even including France crowd. Players be na no France team doing the competitive aspect of the game. 10 place game na more opportunity. No so nya akonya to show say oh say did the same siko empoko na Zidane ba na open look in. These are the kind of performance ebetimi dey man so in the future on frame. And for me the third and fourth game no obi enya dey na open from the game. They open bibi they are saving the job enya they open the goal kinaji enya they one say that ya man akonya man amobi na say oh for we ehoho enso enya akonya ede ye enti everybody got what and into the poor game is over here obia was happy.
Yes, hanky panky.
Yes, obia
oh mam we nam so
yes into obia
who would you go so nye say
now Rich
imagine a kruma ni abogana Premier League bi
the conspiracy theories will work say and the trust levels of them now who say game no outcome no minim obi aye no nwa. Yes, the level of disappointment from the Argentina perspective no and the ABA was so kakra people expected them to give more fights than they gave yesterday. But me yes so say the way a game no call Spain air dominating no e obi anwa
no omomre Argentina for
omomre Rich
cause omo game bia ye sure no omo de ni bra betika no
Spain untimi no omo nyina mbo. If they are in that kind of mood, forget it. Forget about it. If they are in that kind of mood now, no more time you room into the knockout stages of this tournament now. No, almost as almost boss sabona. Forget it. Untimi no mumbo. But for me as an analyst, Rich, my biggest lesson from game now is the general debate of philosophies of football into this season. Arsenal G League, England. One of the most commercialized and talked about league Ghana. Then the rhetoric was that obia enjoy Arsenal samneka na resource de hu hia emfa woni ekwan of aso nya resource no sa wo se obebo katanasio so obebo dien o so the one goal project was free kick on over head atum na on my own tika na o de bagire league and also ye one way we play football enti Arsenal G League no my premium talk by about defensive aspect of the game and defensively winning a title. Then Rich, Arsenal made it to the Champions League final against Luis Enrique team Paris Saint-Germain, known for the attacking football. And Tubakaya, ahead of that game, all the analysis was okay. Now it is attacking football against defensive football. Yakobo Boni na attacking for na we no so say catch am say the best way to play the game is to attack and dominate possession ni sano manoma and na efe and na win here there and sano manoma. Now Rich, fast forward we went to the World Cup. Forget about the Obia but as at the time na Argentina and Spain be abesiano. Obia say oh Argentina born no more of character, grit, aggression. They defend well. Spain for the da form the Spanish flair team engine room no midfielders They will pass you. In the run up to the final, Obia Futuano Argentina and say they've gotten away from going down. But they should be careful they don't go down against Spain, because if you go down against Spain, they will pass you to the end of the game. Unya akonya emba back. Now, Rich, say your social media phone be provide graphics we am here. Spain ba World Cup they considered 1 goal mewa.
Yeah.
That was against
Belgium, yeah.
According to statistics from Opta to live score ni obia, almost Spain conceded only 2.4 SG. Nese senka obia more than share Spain no. Senka more po a result say ye share Spain mpo a. And Spain will concede only 2.4 goals in the tournament. But minu nyanim say nye chance bia na ye share e football mu. Until they ended up conceding only 1 goal out of the 2.4 chances they considered, and enka expecting goals shemu. Now we no free wa Rich. Ubeje say in the history of the World Cup, Spain abeka Italy and Germany, and meka Italy. I'm talking about the Italian team. Called the 1938 and the 1982 World Cup, and meka Germany team lifted the 1990 World Cup. Say Spain abeka home as the 3rd country or mobile World Cup away as winners, and they never trade in a game. Say obi ashoma omo da form also mkoteka. Ebi ensi da for Spain throughout this World Cup. That is how special Spain a winning World Cup way etie. Even the Spanish team of 2010 in South Africa that had Iniesta, Fabregas, Xavi, Busquets, named Puyol, Piqué, Sergio Ramos, Ike Casillas, superstars. Omumpo couldn't win the World Cup in the fashion this Rodrigo Cascante win for Spain. No? Because Omudie, Obakaya, they lost their first game. Until they trade in the match. Wemu drew their first game, but never. And I said, Spain had to chase a game. Say, Omoya down. Never. And see that. Rich. Me, I'm sure say, Nra. Obi say, Joanne Cruyff. Or Danada Kamwa. Obi was so no kakra. People like Pep Guardiola. Omwa jatun the philosophy of total football. Omo making arguments say, we still insist, even with people like Jose Mourinho, people like Rafa Benitez, say there's another way of playing football. That is the balance of the team, the defensive aspect. And Nancy Ampo, Spain had a betrayal from Mikel Arteta. Say, Spanish, La Masia boy.
How defend it?
What could you do with Pep Guardiola? Now you switch to Jose Mourinho. A philosophy say, we need title. You have to concentrate on defending. Me also say they felt betrayed by Arteta. But Rich, this World Cup, as a moment, as a top, say we told the whole world, say the best way to play football is to dominate possession, play champagne football. So we need it is special. Look, Mekwaka some months ago. So I am imagining Pau Kubasi at the age of 23.
Bo.
Yes. Because Rich,
is it age 19? Or the World Cup?
As the best young player
of the tournament.
And he has been impeccable for Spain.
Bobo.
Look. Yes, and then modern football analysts are about the why must you be hyped about a defender passing range? Need the so be defended. Rich, the guy defended. But in the Spanish team now, woman,
two passer.
One of the way Obetimia contributed to the way Omobono was to also have the ability to pass. And look at the guy on the ball from defense. Otimibo pass now breaking 2 lines. And no ball pass be my Oyazabel. Rich, I love watching midfielders play, but I envy that pass as a defender. 19 year old World Cup final. Who are Kokodro say from your defensive position. Over so ball pass money breaking 2 lines in a World Cup final stadium against Argentina. That is bravery. And the guy did so well. And Nyam say, look, people like flamboyant players and to three more share goals. But when he was chosen as the best young player, again, Rich, there are a lot of times that we've made arguments for midfielders and defenders to win best players of tournament, best players, Mr. Ballon d'Or, FIFA best, because to us, we always say they are the engine of the game. They play so well, but when we are, because they are not scoring, they are not assisted. Rich, this was a World Cup. Attackers in the home audio. Harry Kane, Erling Haaland, Kylian Mbappe, Lionel Messi. But Menijia Bako, and say the tournament has recognized Wadri Cascante for the way everything that is happening within the Spanish team is centered around him. Almost say Masawona best player of the tournament. Forget about Omomushie goals, forget about those who gave us the joy to shout, go, ne be more piabante, and machi what the crowd, why game the Umesia, allow ne ever go, we bet him, but they've recognized, look, but what do you know too much? And Unim say, Rich, this thing people will not tell you, but Wadri, Eka Humbion, and midfield scouting assistant. This thing you need to be deep in football conversations to understand. So you'll be out there ready. I also ready. We don't do much of obi play away. Some command cost behind the scenes. Rich and ne. So who Ghanaian midfielder be? Nasa also onimbo into obi cotton and mawa. Only one of the questions will be our height.
Okay.
Because Wadri actually say Busquets mono. They were very, very good transitional midfielders for Spain. But only height, only physicality. But Rich, what did we be? And tomorrow, over longer, about my headache. And now, we saw be a tweet say, Wadri makes a lot of foul, but hardly near booking. His intelligence to do tactical fouls, me won't be that. Ne command on the ball, ne passing. So Baby just space magic ball. He is always found on the pitch. On your sami for an yes, I recognize Pedri, Fabian Ruiz, Moni Omomo who say they are good parenting. It brings out the best out of him. But Rich, Uta Okudu and way in America, Wadri is a monster of a midfielder. Monster of a midfielder. United Simons consider only one.
I ran to the instant out the Piabon Tibe sweepy ball. Who be that? And now who Messi pass be no.
Now, Obiano say, and to come and talk, they also say, we just want to do it. So I was like, and one way you would think, Tibaby Ojinano, say, place no more who says, those are the things. Everyone did well in the Spanish. Apart from the goal king, which and only determined by the number of goals, all the other individual awards in the day, the Spanish team won all of them. I think that we have a bomb, so they've done really well. De La Fonte, special man. And Yababe did De La Fonte home common when we switched to the local in terms of the lessons now. We've said it over and over again. Say, and I this time me never read the article, but who say Athletic Factual article be almost say it is another moment method wins over moments. And what they are trying to say is a method as in boy a cookie or diet street. Boy ya chire from enkrabem say saying a person boy no. A winning over almost they get good players along their generation, put them together and say let's go and win something. Spain for no anytime they win, you could clearly see a timer Rich Diomuchidi say saying a more born reigns over Obia at that time. There will be moments France will come and win the World Cup. Brazil will win. Germany will be winning. But there are some countries that will win World Cup now. And simply because they believe in a certain way of playing, they keep loyalty to SAR system, and once in a while, SAR system will come as the best among all the countries in the world, and almost as some bonomo getting to SAR governor, no matter team or war, no matter the players you assemble. If they are playing that kind of football, you will not be able to beat them.
So, for example, Saudi Arabia, example, you said the Ghana, football DNA.